This video is to help you select your courses for your next year's schedule. The first thing that you're going to need to do is log into your PowerSchool student account. What you'll need to do is go to the Kettering City School District website, go up to Student Links, and then about halfway down, a little more, is the link PowerSchool Student Parent Portal. Click on that, and then you're going to put in your username, which is your ID number. And your password, which is typically your birthday without any zeros, unless of course there's one in the year that you were born. Once you've logged in, it should take you to your main screen. You're going to look to the left-hand side and find class registration. Click on class registration, and what will appear is a list of course groups for each of the subject areas: English, Math, Social Studies, Science, along with electives and CTC for career education. The next step is to create a 7-period day. So you're going to need to select enough classes to fill up a 7-period day. The reason for this is that with PowerSchool, it will schedule those requests that have a full 7-period selection. If you don't do that, it's going to put you at the end and schedule you later, and you may not get the courses that you want. So it's very important for you to go through and select enough courses to fill a 7-period day. The other thing is when you go to select a course, so I'm going to use Math as an example, and it says click the edit button to request a course. I'm going to go over here to where the pencil is. Click on that. When you select a course, over on this right-hand side, you should see any teacher recommendations if a course requires a recommendation in order to take it next year. If you do not see a teacher recommendation and you think there should have been one there, you're going to need to see that teacher. So in selecting Math, I'm going to go over to this left-hand side, and whenever there's this little square, I'm going to click on that course that I wish to request, select it with a check mark, and press OK. You'll notice that it appears now in this course group section. This is Algebra 2. It's 1 credit. That's a full year course, so that's going to take up a full period. I'm going to go on and I'm going to do my other ones. I'm going to select Social Studies. Now notice if I select Psychology, it is a 0.5 credit, which means it's a semester course. When I click OK, you'll see that it shows up here, which means I'm going to need to have another matching half-credit course someplace else. When you go to the electives and click on the pencil icon, you'll see all of the electives. You'll see Study Hall up at the top if you want to select a study hall as possibly that other half section of a day. It doesn't give you a credit, but it will take up that half a period. So maybe I want to have a first semester study hall or a second semester study hall. I can select that. I can select some business classes, some art classes, band classes. The way I find these additional ones, you'll notice a lot of the screens have multiple pages. You notice that down here at the bottom of the screen. So I can select through to find potentially like financial literacy, or if I go towards some of the other like Spanish, any of the world languages, I can go ahead and select these. If you shouldn't happen to see the bottom of your screen where the pages, if it disappears, just pull your scroll bar down on the right-hand side and you will see that. When you're finished, you'll just press OK, and you'll see that these courses that I selected have now showed up under electives. Again, let me remind you, you need to have enough courses selected to fill a 7-period day. So if one of those courses is only going to meet for 1 semester, you need to match it up with another course that meets for another semester for 7 total. You will also have a sheet of paper that you will worksheet so that you can put additional options in case you cannot get all of your electives that you've selected here. Then your counselors will know what other courses to potentially schedule you in. So again, 7-period day. Once you're finished, you press submit down here and you're done. Thank you.